today we're going to take a walk through the Pearson Partner Network and show you how to set up a profile within the PPN. I'm going to go ahead and log in with an account that is already created. And this is my first time logging into the account, so this will look exactly as what you'll see when you log in for the first time. The first thing you'll see when you get in is the terms and conditions, and so go ahead and accept those at the bottom there and hit confirm. And you will be taken to essentially a landing page for your account. One of the first things I recommend that you can do is click on the edit account link there and go and change your password, as the password that we established for you is just a basic password. Once you've done that, you can come back here and click on My Solutions to go ahead and set up your first app inside of the partner network. So click on Add a New Solution now. We'll be brought to this page here. I'm going to go ahead and create a mock profile for Smart Thinking, which is a Pearson entity. So I'm going to type in the application name, and then I'm going to upload a logo. And for the logo, depending on your background color, you may want to change the background which the logo appears on. In this case, it is a white background, so I'm going to go ahead and leave things as they are. Next, I'm going to select a solution area as a category for my app, and Smart Thinking is a tutoring application, and so I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here and select tutoring. It's primarily used by instructors and students, so I'm going to add those. It's a SaaS-based solution, and we primarily sell it in the higher education space. So once that's done, I need to click over to the Overview tab, and I need to fill in a headline in order to create the initial profile. And the headline is essentially 300 characters that would show up if you are on the featured solution, or if you're on the front page here and you do a rollover, the headline is what appears. So it's just a simple introduction to your solution. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cheat here, and I'm just going to cut and paste some text from our website here to create our headline. Come back. And that's just plain flat text. Next, I want to create a description. And the description can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. I don't necessarily recommend that you copy over your entire website into the description page, but provide enough information to give a student or an instructor or an administrator a basic idea of what it is your application or your integrated solution does. So once again, I'm just going to cut and paste some text here and keep it simple for the purposes of this demonstration. So I was able to cut and paste the HTML straight in there. And then I'm going to go ahead and save, and so it's important to remember to save this as you go along. And this will set up the initial profile page, and it'll actually allow us to take a look. And so now I can see what the basic page will look like. It has not been published yet. We will get to that step at the end. But you can see the Smart Thinking logo here with a white background. This is the background color that I chose. That is something that you can also configure. So we have the Overview tab, and then the description. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit again. Now I'm going to add some additional resources to the profile here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a screenshot. So open that and upload it. Once it's uploaded, I want to provide a title. And so the title will show up along with the screenshot when it's displayed. I can add things like case studies, data sheets, white papers, guides. So I'm going to go ahead and just add a couple of documents here so that you can see what it looks like in the profile. Once again, I want to provide a description of this so that I don't have the file name displayed. Add that, and let's add a guide here. I will add a title for that as well. Okay, once that is all there, I'm going to go ahead and click Save. Once again, I'm brought back to the display. Now we see we have a Resources tab. And I have case studies, I have guides. You can click on those, the PDFs will appear. I have a screenshot here with the title down at the bottom, the right example. You can add multiple screenshots and you'll be able to click through them to see how that looks like. The last thing I want to show you here is video. So I'm going to click on video, click on select media. In this case, I'm going to go to the web. We recommend that linking or using embed to these providers is the best way to show video on the site. So I already happen to have the video ready to go off of YouTube. Go ahead and add the embed code. That is now added. You can have multiple videos there. Hit save. Now we have the Resources tab, the Overview tab, the Resources tab, the Videos tab. In this case, I can click on that. Video will start playing. Once you've completed your profile, you can contact one of the members of the Technology Partnership team, and they will review it for consistency and any kind of errors, and then they will publish it for you. And then once it's published, you are in the PPN. Thank you.